Hello and welcome to this new video on C++ pointers. In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into pointers, including what they are, how to use them, and some of the common mistakes that people make when working with pointers. So let's start by answering the question what pointers are. So the normal definition that we go through is that pointers are another type of variables in C++ programming, and these variables store addresses of the other variable. Okay, so at their core, pointers are simply variables that store memory address of any variable. They allow you to indirectly access to the value stored at the address rather than directly accesses the value itself. But why would you want to do this? There are a few reasons that makes why we should prefer pointers. So normally pointers can be used to pass large amount of data to the function more efficiently. Okay, like as a reference type or as a parameter. Uh, we in other words call it arguments, or as a parameter we can pass the pointers of the array or other things. And the other reason is that pointers can be used to dynamically allocate memory at runtime. This is one of the major impact that uh, makes people prefer pointers. Okay, so these are the reasons. Now that we understand what pointers are, let's talk about how to use them. Usually pointers in C++ is straightforward. You simply declare a pointer variable using a star operator. Like see here, suppose there is a variable that int a equals to 10. Okay, int a equals to 10. So we can declare any pointer like this, int star pointer. Okay, int star pointer, like this we can declare a pointer. This create a pointer called pointer that point to an integer type. Here the reference type, return type is int, so this refers to the integer type of the pointer. To assign a memory address to the pointer, you can use the ampersand operator, that is the address of operator or ampersand operator. This happens like before allocating. Let's check it out by using cout command ampersand address of a, and let's add end line and run the program. You see it here, this is the hexadecimal value that shows the address of the integer a. Okay, now remove this line and we can declare a pointer. We already declared the pointer. Here we can allocate the address as a value to this by doing such like this. Okay, address of a. Now see out the value of pointer. See out the value of end line. Okay, see here the value of pointer and check it out. It's the same as the earlier value. Okay, this is the same as the earlier value. If you want to check it out, like add cout address of a. So obviously this will be same because the both the addresses are of the same variable a. Okay, so this is the this assign the memory address of x to the a to the pointer, variable pointer. Here it is a x, a sorry a, and this is the pointer of named as pointer. Okay, so to address the to access the value stored at the memory address pointed to the pointer, you can usually use the star operator like this. So here we are talking about the dereference operator. Okay, dereference operator is what? Dereference operator is used to access the value that is stored at the particular memory address. Okay, so suppose here pointer is a very pointer, let's change the name of the pointer. Let's put it out as p. Okay, so this will be the name as the p, and let's p it. So p is a pointer that stored the memory address of the a. So if we want to know that what is the value of the variable that is stored at the point whose address is stored at the p, then we can use the dereference operator. Okay, so dereference operator can be used like this. We just have to add the star sign. We just have to use the star sign, and let's put the star p here. and we will get the value of 10 here. Okay, so you can check here, it shows the 10. Okay, so now let's talk about the one mistake that normally people do while using or going through the pointers. Okay, so now that you know the basic of using pointers, let's talk about some common mistake that people make when working with them. One common mistake is not initializing pointer before using them. Okay, so this can lead to the undefined behavior because the pointer will point to a random memory address. Now let's understand this by doing int xh int star xh like this. This is just a pointer that we have declared, but we have not initialized it. Okay, now let see out the value of xh xh and also see out the value at xh. Okay, let's do it. As we have not initialized the value, so it will show some garbage value. Okay, this is the memory address that is allocated, and this is the value that is stored on the memory address that is saved in the access. So this is a bad habit, this is a bad habit. So we this is called null pointer. This to get out from this, normally what we should have to do is to use null pointers. We can do it by like initializing 0. This is called null pointers. Whenever you are declaring a pointer that doesn't point to some particular variable, we just have to put the value 0 to the variable and it will be null pointer. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will be covering the array and the pointers in the next video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the video and share it as much as you can if you like the video. Thank you.